How to hide an app on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply look for the app you want to hide on your home screen. So let me just tap on the app that I want to hide. And all you have to do is long press on that app. So this is the app I want to hide. Once I long press on it, you will get to see a drop down menu appear, and there will be an option of remove app, and all you have to do is tap on the remove app. You can see remove from home screen or delete app option available there. Now simply tap on the remove from home screen and it will be easily removed from your home screen. Now once removed, you can swipe to the library, app library, last page of home screen, and all apps are organized automatically. You can see the app you have just hidden. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.